Every morning, Emma would take a walk in the park near her home. She enjoyed the peace and quiet before the city woke up. The park was her little escape, a place where she could clear her mind and watch the sunrise. One day, as she walked down her usual path, she noticed an elderly man sitting on a wooden bench. He was there every morning, always dressed neatly in a coat and scarf, even when the weather was warm. He sat quietly, staring out at the pond with a gentle smile on his face. Curious, Emma began to sit on the bench across from him every morning. They exchanged polite smiles, but never spoke. Days turned into weeks, and soon their routine became familiar. Emma wondered about the old man's life, why he was always there, and what brought him such calm. One particularly cold morning, Emma arrived to find the man already sitting on the bench, holding a small, worn-out photograph in his hands. She hesitated, then decided to ask. "Good morning," she said, sitting down on the bench next to him. "I always see you here. May I ask who's in the photograph?" The old man turned to her, his eyes kind but filled with memories. "This is my wife," he said softly, holding the picture up for her to see. It was an old black and white photo of a young woman, her smile radiant and full of life. "We used to come here every morning," he continued, his voice gentle. "She loved the park, loved watching the sunrise. We promised each other we'd come here as long as we could, to watch the sun come up together. Even after she passed, I couldn't break the habit." Emma felt her heart ache for him, yet she admired his dedication. "That's beautiful," she said softly. "You're honoring her every day." The old man smiled, looking out at the pond. "Love never truly fades," he said quietly. "It stays with you, even when the person is gone. This place keeps her close." From that day on, Emma continued her walks, but now she would stop and sit with the man. They talked about life, love, and everything in between. He shared stories of his wife, the way she laughed, the way she could brighten up any room. Emma realized that love didn't have to be grand gestures or big moments. Sometimes, love was simply being there, holding on to memories, and keeping promises. As the months passed, their quiet friendship grew, and Emma felt as if she knew the man's wife through his stories. The park bench became more than just a seat, it was a place where love, even in its quietest form, was always present.
Now it's quiz time. Where did Emma walk every morning? A. Beach. B. Park. C. Forest. D. City streets. Answer. B. Park. What did the old man hold in his hands? A. Book. B. Photograph. C. Letter. D. Watch. Answer. B. Photograph. Who was in the photograph? A. His daughter. B. His wife. C. His friend. D. His sister. Answer. B. His wife. What did the old man and his wife do together in the park? A. Read books. B. Watch the sunrise. C. Feed the birds. D. Go for walks. Answer. B. Watch the sunrise. What did Emma learn from the old man? A. How to paint. B. The value of love and memories. C. Gardening tips. D. History of the park. Answer. B. The value of love and memories.
Now it's vocabulary time. Serene, meaning calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Radiant, meaning shining brightly, glowing with love, happiness, or energy. Reminisce, meaning to talk or think about past experiences or memories, often in a sentimental way. Dedication, meaning the act of being committed to someone or something. Companion, meaning a person or thing that spends time with or accompanies someone.